Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to talk about an update that has been pushed to Windows 11. So if you have a problem with some of the apps not opening, including the snipping tool, for example, Microsoft has rolled out for Windows 11 a update. So you have to go and check out if you have it on Windows Update. The update itself was released late yesterday, and it is KB's 5008295. So this is called Update for Windows 11. It's an out-of-cycle update. That usually means that it's enough of a problem that they deem important to actually update the systems. I noticed that it was not optional, it just installed. So that also kind of shows that some of the bugs there were pretty good. So this is really to fix the apps, some of the core apps not actually working well, and even some of the settings. So check it out if you have these problems. The out-of-cycle update is released. You can get it today, November 6th, 2021. And of course, it's KB5008295. It'll show up in Windows Updates. It didn't take very long to install on this machine. It was a very quick update. And once that is done, all the apps that you had that didn't work should work fine. It fixes by actually fixing the certificate problem, because the certificates of some of the apps weren't correct. And so the apps couldn't actually start. So this apparently will fix all of that. So if you got the problem, and even if you don't anyways, it seems to be a update that will install. It's not optional, and it's for Windows 11 users only. Windows 10 doesn't have that problem, so check it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.